welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I cleaned a glass cooktop. It's been a long time since I deep cleaned mine, so it's really dirty. It has a lot of burned food on the glass. So today I'm gonna get rid of all that, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'll be using and how we're gonna do that. So if you want to see how I do that, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is the stuff that we're gonna be cleaning today. As you guys see, we have a lot of burn stuff around, and we're gonna see if we can get rid of this. This stuff, it's old, but we'll see if we can make it look better. Okay, and then I'm gonna be using the White Man cooktop cleaner kit, and it comes with the cleaner and polish, and it has this scraper. With this one we're gonna scrape all this burn stuff, and it also has the scrubbing tool pad to scrub it. And it goes like this. Okay, so we're gonna be using these three things and see if it really works, because I heard really good things about this product and I haven't used it before, so this is the first time, and we'll see how good it is. Okay. And of course we're gonna follow the instructions. So it says, always allow the cooktop cool before cleaning. Shake well and test Weiman glass cooktop heavy duty cleaner and polish on an inconspicuous area before using. Apply directly to the cooktop. So that means we're gonna be applying this thing first, and then we're gonna scrub the cooktop with the scrubber, the tool, with this thing. We're gonna scrub this, and then after that we're gonna use the scraper to get rid of all the burn stuff on the glass. Okay. So it doesn't say how much to use. I'll just use enough to cover the circles, because they're the ones that are the most, I guess, dirtier. So we're gonna scrub with this. I guess like this. We're gonna scrub it. A little bit of pressure on the circles. It's really soft though. So let me do that for a few. Now we're gonna use the scraper to scrape all around the circle. Okay, and then so as you guys see, we gotta turn this blade like that. And so this is the blade, and we're gonna put it back. hide it. And we're gonna use it. It says to use it use top scraper at a 45 angle to carefully scrape away residual. So let's do that. So I'm just gonna go even in the glass. So I have scraped this glass, and I'm just gonna go and scrub it again. And I did got most of the burnt stuff out, but I can still see a lot. Like I said, this stuff is really old, and I also cook a lot, so it's really damaged. Poor stuff. But yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna wipe this down and see how these glass look. Okay. Okay guys, so I am done cleaning this cooktop glass, and it did get rid of all the burnt stuff that it was there, because I can't feel anything. It's really soft, but I'm thinking that this is just already damaged. The glass is really damaged. Let's see if I can get you guys better. There you go. You guys can see all that. It's I think the glass is damaged already because I could not get rid of that. And other than that, doesn't look too bad. It looks really shiny. It looks better than it was before. But yep, this is all damaged. Like I said, this stuff it's really old, and so yeah, it has already, the glass is damaged right here. But yeah, I think the product works well. It's just that this little stuff, it's damaged already. The glass is damaged and all that. It's been a long time. It's old. So yeah, that's how it looks. It looks really shiny. It looks really nice. It looks clean. So yeah, and I was just using this women kit that came with the scraper and scrubber, and then this product. So that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video. Please Let me know what do you guys use to clean your cooktop, and yeah, leave me a comment down below. And if you like this video, give it a like, and please don't forget to subscribe. I post a lot of cleaning videos here, so subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.